Hi GC Queens, welcome back. Today's makeup is targeting those busy mornings. We're creating a soft, effortless glam. This is usually the makeup I will do once I'm hurrying out of the house or when you want to look put together without doing so much. It is giving elevated, fresh face. It's not going to be like the perfect slayed makeup, but definitely know we're going to look put together. So if you're interested, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's get right into it. Bye. So to start off this video, we're going to moisturize our face, and for today moisturizer I'm using this one from Nivea. It's the Nivea Soft. It's for hand, face and body. You guys, I have used this empty and I had to repurchase it. Like I always say, moisturizing your face is essential just to prep yourself for the makeup that you're about to apply. Okay, so don't skip this part, it's important. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, not too much, and I'll place that all over my face and rub it in. The next one is primer, and this is from Catrice. This is their 10-in-1 Dream Primer. You guys, this is set to do a lot of things, like up to 10 things. I'm gonna use that on my face. I just got it, so this is my first time using this primer. I don't know what to expect, but yeah. So you guys, it has SPF 15 in it, so I don't know if that's why I'm having the white cast, but let's see if it blends in. Hey, Chineye. Okay, so you just have to blend it and blend it in, and this is what we have. It's not bad. So the next thing I'm going to use is concealer. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade Honey 338. I'm gonna use this contour stick and contour my face. Using the same concealer we used earlier, I'm just gonna add just a little bit. Using the same contour brush, I'm just gonna even here out just so we don't have any harsh line. That's it. For blush, I'll use this one from e.l.f. This is their hot pink. Just gonna place it on the high point of my cheek. Going back to that damp beauty sponge, I'm just gonna blend out any harsh line. To set my under eyes, I'm gonna go with this compact powder from Fenty. You guys, this is in the shade 410. I'm just gonna use it to set my under eyes before I go in with a loose setting powder. To to set my under eyes, I'm gonna use this Fit Me by Maybelline. This is their loose finishing powder, and this is in medium deep. Just gonna take out the excess. Before I bronze my face, I'm just gonna use this NYX powder. This is discontinued, but I love it. I always use it. I'm gonna use that all over my face. So this is from Elf. It is their Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. So before I proceed, I'm gonna just refresh my face just to let that soak in. I'm gonna use this matte bronzer from Revolution. This is in medium. I'm gonna use that to bronze out my face. Just gonna take a little from here, dust off the excess. For blush, I'm gonna use this one. This is my favorite. This is from Revolution Pro. You guys, I so much love this one. It's so pigmented. Can you guys see? You don't want to go overboard with this because it is so pigmented. Going back to the brush I used earlier, I'm just gonna reduce that to get it so soft. So for my eyes, I'm just gonna use that concealer brush we used earlier. I'll just dab it. Not putting any concealer. I'm just gonna dab with whatever is left. Going back to the bronzer we used earlier, I'm just gonna take a little bit from there. And I'll place that on my eyes. This bronzer is not too dark, it's just a medium deep. Then I'll go back again, and then this time I will just press. I'm not gonna blend, I'll just press it in. It always gives this soft brown eye look. Going back to the NYX powder we used earlier, I'm just gonna take a little bit with a clean brush and blend out any harsh line here. So to smoke out my eyes, I'm gonna use this palette from Revolution. I'm just gonna use the very dark, it's like a grayish black. Just gonna tap on that, take off the excess, and I'm just gonna use it to smoke out my lash line. So you notice I'm just creating a little wing. This will help lift my eyes a little bit so we don't look that dull. I'll do the same here. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this brown shade for my waterline. So we're gonna head into my brows, then we come back to the eyes. I'm gonna use this NYX brow glue on my brows just to set it. So I always love to use powder to set my brows because it tends to go oily. Just gonna press this here. This is the loose setting powder from Maybelline that we used earlier. This will help set my brows in place. I'm gonna use this brow pencil from Catrice. This is their 24 hours brow pencil, and this is in the shade 050 chocolate. I just bought this. Just gonna trace out my brows using the stroke method just to give it an elevated look, like we did too much without doing too much. Just gonna line my brows a little bit just to give it a good definition. Can you see that? Yeah, that's the difference. I'm just going to clean out any harsh line using a very small amount of concealer. For mascara, I'm going to use this one from Kiko. This is their double-sided mascara. I don't know which side is which side, but I'm just gonna go ahead and... This is the worst part. I don't like doing this one, but I'm just gonna do it because we're not wearing any lashes. I love lining my waterline. There is this thing about it that I love. You can skip this part. So I'm just gonna set my face. We're gonna move to the lips now. For my lip liner, I'll use this one from NYX. This is their Line Loud in Rebel Kind. Just gonna line my lips quickly. This is so creamy, you guys. Very, very creamy. I use this Hydro Bomb lip gloss from Revolution. Just gonna apply that in the center of my lips. Ooh. This is the NYX Shine Loud. I'm gonna use the lip gloss pack. So we're gonna set it one more time, just for... So I feel like we lost that blush, and I'm just gonna put it back so the makeup looks like what I want it to look like. At this point, I'm feeling this makeup. Ooh. I love it. It is so good. It is looking like skin. What do you guys think? I love everything about this makeup. It's clock it. I love it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll definitely see you in the next one. I remain your juicy queen, Estelle Orji. Bye.